Yo, once again, it's your boy Gamer 420XS here, and today I'm going to show you on how to draw the smiley face. That's right, the very first smiley face used in cave paintings. Okay, so before we begin, I need you to jump off the Eiffel Tower 3 times and then tell the guy who painted the Mona Lisa, he sucks. Yes, I am more talented than him. That's right. Now, what you want to do is open your software, withdraw stuff and such. Okay, now I'm going to say it very slowly. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is draw two lines, I mean two dots, right next to each other. Okay, then I'm going to need you to do a little bridge under. That's right. Now you did it. I'll smile the face. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to go move to America and get a free burger at KFC. Well, wait, what are you doing? Uh, the tutorial's over. What are you doing? Wait, no, no, don't do this. No, please, no, no, no.